It's also a great hobbycraft accessory, collecting beads, buttons, sequins. You can retrieve those items, store them back in your box, and store your single crumb collector in your hobbycraft box. It's great for DIY, screws, nuts, bolts. You can retrieve those items, put them in your toolbox.
This is my fun pet ladybird. I feed it Lego. I also collect a lot more. It's great fun to use and I keep it in my Lego box.
Thank you for watching this video demonstration by crumbsaway.co.uk. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us via our website crumbsaway.co.uk. Thank you.